What it do, gang? Got another video for y'all today. I'm gonna be okay, I don't know if y'all heard that thunder, but that was crazy. But today I'm gonna be hitting arms with the boy E. We got a arm day, arms and shoulders with a little bit of a chest touch up because we're hitting we hit a chest day earlier this week, but we got something planned for Sunday for y'all, and we're gonna be hitting chest that day. So we're just doing a chest touch up today, and we're gonna be mainly focusing probably shoulders and arms. But yeah, I got another shoulders arms video going down for y'all. Probably gonna get some good shoulder movements in there. I think I'm really trying to focus on getting like bolder shoulders, or like just more capped shoulders, because I feel like that's somewhere where I struggle with my physique, to be honest. But it's gonna be a good one. We're just waiting for E right now. We got it down the pre, and I hope this is gonna show up good, because like the exposure right here is like kind of darker, but I don't know. Oh guys, we need a shave, and yes, I'm wearing a pimple patch. But yeah, you just pulled up. We're gonna hit some arms and shoulders. Yeah, a little bit of chest. Let's go ahead and down this. Oh, but one thing I wanted to tell you guys is recently, like, I've always trained hard. I don't want to make it sound like I've never trained hard, but recently, like, I don't know if you guys are on fitness TikTok or anything like that. There's been like a train insane or remain the same, and just pretty much like a I don't even want to call it like a training style, just like a motivational thing. And you know, like, I've always trained hard and trained till failure, but like not what you would classify insane. Recently, I'd say like the past week and a half, like I've been taking my sets to like absolute, like, when I say like absolute failure, like the last rep on my set is literally like the worst cheap rep you've ever seen. Like if I'm doing triceps, I'm like swinging it, right? And like I'm not doing that all the time. Like I'm not only doing cheat reps. That's literally just to like get more reps at the end of my set. But just from like taking that literal saying to heart, train and and remain the same, and applying it to your workout, like it's just a different mindset. And I swear I've been doing it for a week, just training like as hard as I can, heavy as I can, like not necessarily ego lifting, but just like heavier than normal, you know, like controlling it the best I can, like not even for ego purposes, legitimately for strength purposes. I'm telling you, in a week my physique has changed. Like I have like resting veins in my forearms now, something I've never had without a pump. Pretty much just go harder than normal, and don't be a dick and ego lift, but put up some fucking weight and don't be a bitch. Alright guys, after some technical difficulties, we finally got it set up. This is gonna be my fourth set of shoulder press, but the first one on camera. So let's go ahead and get it. We got shoulders, arms, a little bit of chest today.
I just walk in with the Taliban. Hey, I just walk in with the Taliban. I just walk in with the Taliban. Hey, I run your shit in the other lanes. I get the tongue right side. I got the thoughts outside. I'm on the pumpkin side. I'm a geek all in my life.
I'm gonna do this one again and then probably drop after this. Just trying to get some weight up.
I'm in NY's high in the buildings. You a bitch, you just be your buildings. I can put out the lamb in the buildings, bitch. You ugly as fuck.
You out of pocket.
2 ATMs, you stepping to what?
You out of pocket.
Who you think they talk about? Talk about us.
You out of pocket.
Who you think they coming up for us?
Get back in pocket.
The world in a panic, the women is stranded, the men on the run. The profits abandoned, the law take advantage. The market is crashing, the industry wants niggas and bitches to sleep in the box while they making them out to be following us. This ain't monopoly, watching for love. This ain't monogamy, y'all getting fucked. Jumping on what the hell is that? I gotta relax when I feel. All my descendants, they told me my sleep and say I am too real. I'm done with the sensitive, taking it personal. Done with the black and the white, the wrong and the right. You hoping for change and miracles. I know the feelings that came with burial cries. Bitch, you ugly as fuck.
You out of pocket.
2 ATMs, you stepping to what?
You out of pocket.
Who you think they talk about? Talk about us.
You out of pocket.
Who you think they carry up for us?
Tell them I do it again. Tell them it's fucking their friend. I got diamond on my arm. I got diamond on my lens.
Alright, what's next, bro?
We did the warm up. Then we did that.
Yeah, let's turn arms.
I think we're gonna give the shoulders a little break, run some arms, then come on back to our friend, the deltoid.
Yeah. Hey. On my way to the boat, like I ain't just have on a coat when I landed.
I lost the mic, guys. Turned my mic up, and I'm like actually really fucking pissed right now. I'm like really fucking mad.
You alright, bro? We're still picking up sound.
Dude, I'm so
We got
mad.
some audio.
From Kansas, really living my dreams. I
Actually looking around the floor for a mic. Every fucking set, bro. I'm so upset. You have no idea. It's like the only thing I can think about.
started to dwindle cause that was the cash flow. My mom would never walk again, that's what the doc said. So much medication, I was worried she dropped dead. For real. And I was the good guy, my friends were the hotheads. Times when I thought I should've stuck with my old friends. I might have been at the end of my rope on both ends. The kids I went to high.
God damn.
Feel good?
I feel fucking pumped up right now.
Girls wrote me off, didn't think I'd become much. Dinner and a movie off for nothing, that's tough love. Meanwhile, rappers from other cities is cutting up. We ain't had the means to really make it, we coming up. But local niggas acting like we made it and running up. My heart beating fast cause I needed to toughen up. We needed to huddle up. I felt like we was doing all we could, but it wasn't enough. Spent a year in Brandon with my girl just cuddling up. Till one of my niggas hit my phone like you wanted a what? And now the sound is champion, the singles is dancing, the pills is ambience, the lighting is ambient, the housewives is outside the booth cause they can't.
Fuck. Oh god, I'm not ready for this shit. Alright, what's up guys? So, we're still on the tricep, but next we're gonna be doing like a game, and all you do is the person doing the exercise like doesn't look at the weight stack, and then your workout partner or weight training partner, you'll probably do like 5 sets total, but they'll pick a random hole and like they'll put the weight on there and they'll say 10, and you gotta do 10. And then they'll take it out when you're done doing 10, put it in a different hole and be like 8, and you gotta do 8. So, for example, it looks like this, and like E is gonna be like, you're gonna put it in 30, and you're gonna be like 10. And then you're gonna pick like a different one, say like 6. Oh, it's not gonna focus. But yeah, pretty much you do that like 4 or 5 times in one set. So it's like, I'd say it's probably like, what would you say, like 5 mini sets to make one big set? Like 5 mini sets to make one big set. So we're about to go ahead and get that shit. That's not taking fucking soul.
That's right, bro.
Alright,
That's how
you guys ready?
Ready? Yep. 10. Don't look down. 6. 7. Alright, one more.
Oh my god.
10. 10, 10. 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Fuck. Holy shit.
Bro, I used to do that on my lat pull downs.
Dude,
Just slap
that shit's done. Is there any limits? Like, do you want the full stack? Well.
I was ready for that joker to be heavy.
6. 10.
Give me something.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, one more. Got it. One more. 2 more. 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 1, 2. You got 2. Come on. 5. 1, 2. Come on. 3. Come on. 4. Finish. Come on. One more. 10. Come on. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Finish. 9, 10. That's how we do.
Shit again, you know what I'm saying? Hey man, it's New Year. Don't come at me with that old shit. Leave that 2022. Ayy, I just want my nut.
Thank you.
12.
Yeah, I always be forgetting to count.
Yeah.
I know I get more than 8 though.
Right. As long as you go to feel, you're good. You know what I mean?
That wasn't failure, but I'm saving it.
Feel like as long as it's feeling good.
Oh yeah, I thought you said failure.
No.
Yeah.
2023, Glock 23. I dumped a 20 piece. That old shit ain't going forward. This a newer me. Probably knew me last year, but you don't know me. One life, 2 live, bullshit, no deal. On site for real, crack shit like seals. Beat a nigga Mike Will. I say how I feel, give a fuck how you feel. Shooter still in the gym, stepper still in the field. All he need is a pill and he'll still kill without one. Ain't got a gun, better buy one. Can't afford it, better take some. All lives matter, I take one. Call me booty, I shake some. Fuck all the odds, no latex. Make the K bust, that's great sex. Face shot, give him a taste test, yeah. Motorola serving fiends, yeah. Sister stroller, seen fiends, yeah. I'm bipolar, I tweak, yeah. Headshot, make them sneeze, there.
Nice. Back to tricep exercise.
You wanna do, why don't we do skull crushers, supersetted with tricep bench, but we'll do like enough weights where we're getting 15 on each. Right. Not like, no, like extra.
So 2 plates for me.
Yeah. Like, I'm saying like, be able to skull crush it too.
Oh shit,
If the bar is 45, I'm saying 25 on each side maybe. I don't know if I'm skull crushing 135 though. Or no, I probably skull crush 95.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I'll be back there to spot you. I got you.
Yeah, I don't know how this is gonna turn out, but let's try it. Fuck it.
Let's go.
Kobe, couple killers in the silk, free Lou and free Toby. Goon say he wanna put another nigga down, I say focus. Draco, I call him Michael Draco, cause he know how to work it. Bad ass bitch, no basic, slide right in, I'm skating, ski. Me and her shopping fifths, we don't know nothing about Macy's, no. The way she take the dick, that little hoe got bravery, nah, for real. Blood bitch tryna make a flip crip, she be like, that shit brazy, slime. Birds of a feather, gotta flock together, box them up and sell them, get one off. Through any weather, we gon' get umbrellas, nothing stop the shelter, nigga, fuck you dog. Bacon, cheddar, cheese, mozzarella, please get in here when I wake in a loaf. Can't came from the streets, now I scream world peace. I'm rich as hell, might play golf. Where you at, twin? I know you ain't laid up with no hoe. I just want my nut. I did that bitch get up off of me. Presidential chop, pussy nigga, ain't no off in me. You a pussy with some discharge. We call them cottage cheese. Sent the hit off of Discord. It's 2023. New year, new me. It's 2023. Glock 23. I dumped a 20 piece. That old shit ain't going forward, this a newer me. Probably knew me last year, but you don't know me. Hey man, a lot of shit changed, but it's only one thing I'm keeping the same, man. We still told 762s over 223s, even though we in
Skull crushers to a failure, and then we're doing a negative skull crusher down, and then you like, don't let it hit your face, obviously, but transfer it into a tricep press, then up. And then you do as many of those negatives you can, and then at the end you just bang out some regular tricep press. Give this one a shot. I'm not saying you're gonna like it, but
Doing alright?
let's go and get it.
Yeah, I'm on a boat and a pop, it can stop me from copping a new Maserati. Water so bad, she spoiled, she riding, she stepping out, she catch a body. And if I leave out on water, the face I done busted out, I can't be modest. Go, niggas get dig, she look at me so like a pilot. Taking the lean with the mallet, don't get my deposit, I'm starting to riot. All these hitters are wild and you can't do that about it, you gotta be violent. All you did was look at my pictures, study my photos like silence. Free phone ringing at one time, just a young dope boy swinging, I caught it. Calling at one time, all of them about it, they all about it. I got this John Columbia, she saying you waiting in the lobby. I got sprung as soon as I seen the found in my hand to go pipe. Montclair, blonde nail, your wife wanna give me the stripe. Top dog, like I got the dog, iced up in the Cavalli. Trap house, beating on the door, gotta look like a pet rally. They wanna throw some thought in the game, we bout to set up some shotties. Soon as you see that chrome in your brain, you ain't gonna do them a potty.
Yo, I don't think I've seen anybody ever hit this, so we need to think of a name. What are we gonna call this?
Bro, I don't know, bro. It would just be a superset, skull crush, into negatives, into push.
Why don't we call this?
Triple super duper whooper.
These are gonna Armageddon crushers. I don't fucking know.
Armageddon crushers.
Well, like I've never seen anybody run what we are doing right now. It's like, you know, like corn curls. You ever heard of those?
Yeah.
Or like
21s.
21s. Like, we need to think of a name for this.
SCMP. Skull crush, negative, push. TP.
Press. Skull crush, negative, press.
Skull crush, negative, press. Skull crush, negative, tricep press. SCNTP. SCNTP. It's easy.
Wait, I think no T.
Tricep press.
I know, but like, if we're already doing skull crushes, they know it's triceps. So,
SCMP.
SMP? Skull and press. SMP.
Skull negative press.
Yeah, skull negative
SMP. SMP.
Made it out the streets.
Alright guys, we're gonna finish up a little bit of bicep superset here. We just did a tricep superset. So in this one we're just gonna do hammer curls, and I don't know about E, but I'm gonna take this to failure because we're only doing 2 sets. So we're gonna do hammer curls, a little bit heavier, probably like 30 pounds, and then we're gonna switch to a supinated curl, which is like a regular curl with my hands sideways. And we're gonna do that again, go to a failure. I got 20 pounds for those. Let's go ahead and hit it.
I hit with past my corner after I whipped up bacon soda. I hit the rack attack, I might have come from straight that day. You about to make me spaz, you about to make me spend this cash. Hold I check on me, hold I check on me. Hold I
About that time.
Oh shit, Chris. Bro, this is for YouTube, right?
Yep.
Oh.
always share that freak. Made it out the streets cold, like I gotta get me some cake. Ran it up, stuck to the street cold. Never down, get your eagle on. Young nigga, let the desert digger go. Freak game or the freak bricks. I can hit you with the Lamborghini flow. Couple stains and a couple licks. What we done did that Valero. Got my money counter with me, yeah. Got it jumping, then I got the nitro. Lamborghini tryna pop a Willie in this motherfucker like Rico. If I was in the streets, they'd probably tryna charge me with Rico. NCL holding Cali Cole with my 21 street family though. Not for me, only way we ride. If you gotta die, then you gotta go. Step aside when we come through. This free bands, my though. Looking like Chapo, the whole hood looking like Chapo. Looking like robbers, whole hood looking like mobsters. Sleep with your carbon, always go sleep with your carbon. Swerve out the margins, swerving all outside the margins. I came bargain, I was down bad, I was starving. Bigger than Tarzan, my data lit like Verizon. Yeah, I like smashing that, but don't tell nobody I'm your boyfriend. Made it out the streets, cold, I gotta give me some cake. Ran it up, stuck to the street, cold, never mind all the fake. 100 pound bell low, filled up on the crate. Drop down low, hit her with the yellow tape. All I take on me, all I check on me. All I face on me, all I face
on me. Trying to find a way to like not overstep, but it's really just me. It's something I gotta, whatever. Look, part of me, but a part of me looking for more. Giving my heart, my art, my artery. What do you want more? Minority boy black, looking for joy. They snatch it, looking back, paying it for. But I'm tapped, I lap tap water and tap dance and tabernacles before the Lord. The pattern is no avoid, not gonna avoid the words that come with the voice inside of my head. I'm sick of the noise. So be a bigger nigga, put your finger on the trigger as you're looking at the mirror on the wall, and let that bitch rip till your backbone slipping. No, them cracks don't give no black fuck about y'all. Just your ass, your hips, your lips, my dick tip, my black balls dribbling and dipping them in your jaws. Scribbling word rhymes, the crowd giving applause, but in my spirit I feel it and they don't hear me at all. Nigga, my nigga, look at the bigger picture. We flawed, okay, cool. You picking up figures, nigga. We proud. You pay dues, but now you gotta do what you can and can't abuse your power. Let's come up with a plan and we pursuing the power, but don't get shit fucked up. I be in the forefront with the 4-5. Don't front back then, right now, last week, next month.
Backseat shotgun, don't run, got one.
We just finished our workout with Emmanuel. That shit was gas. Had some really good movements in there. We actually didn't end up touching up chest. One thing I want to emphasize is like for example, we hit arms and shoulders today, but like we went so hard, and it's not saying like it's just us or anything, but like if you go hard enough during your exercise, like for example, like chest flies, right? If you're doing your chest fly hard enough, even if you have perfect form, you're gonna get like the slightest bicep pump. You're gonna get like the slightest bicep pump, you know, from doing that shit. So we were hitting skull crushers and tricep press today, and we low-key felt that shit in our chest, so we didn't even worry about our chest touch-up today. But workout was 5, physique's coming along. I'm actually starting a bulk, so it's nothing crazy. Like I know I still look kind of lean right now, but we are going to be entering a growing phase because nothing is set in stone. I haven't signed up or anything like that, but like I do maybe want to attempt to hop on stage one day, you know, type shit. But yeah, so right now we're growing, so that's cool. But yeah, I'm probably going to cut the video or end the video here after the workout. Shit was pretty gas, fire sesh. If you guys have any questions about the movements that I'd be doing too, make sure you just drop them down below. I'll be sure to answer them for you guys. But yeah, that was a really, really good workout. And oh, something else I want to say. I be getting like pre-workout brain. So if like I ever like can't get my thought right, or like my sentence sounds like so messed up, like I don't know if y'all know what pre-workout brain is, but it's just everything's moving so fast type shit, you know what I mean? But yeah, just want to let y'all know that. But thank you guys so much for watching the vid. The support means the world for me. Make sure you drop a like, drop a comment, you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Yeah, I'm on a boat and a pop, it can stop me from copping a new Maserati. Jordan so bad, she spoiled, she riding, she stepping on.